Eyewitness testimony refers to the account provided by an individual who has witnessed a specific event and is subsequently called upon to recount their observations in a legal setting. It plays a crucial role in legal proceedings as it often serves as primary evidence, influencing verdicts and judgments. Eyewitnesses are expected to recall and communicate details about the incident, contributing to the establishment of facts in a case. The significance of eyewitness testimony in legal proceedings cannot be overstated. Courts heavily rely on the first-hand accounts of individuals who were present during an event, considering them as valuable evidence to reconstruct the sequence of events. However, the reliability of such testimony is subject to various psychological factors, including memory biases and perception distortions, which can impact the accuracy of the information provided. Memory and perception are integral components influencing eyewitness testimony. Memory, the ability to encode, store, and retrieve information, is susceptible to distortion and manipulation. Perception, the process of interpreting sensory information, can be influenced by external factors, leading to inaccuracies in how events are perceived and later recalled. Understanding the intricacies of memory and perception is crucial for comprehending the challenges associated with eyewitness testimony. Memory formation involves the encoding of information, where sensory input transforms into a stored memory. This process occurs in stages, starting with sensory memory capturing initial stimuli, followed by short-term memory consolidation, and ultimately storage in long-term memory. The accuracy of eyewitness testimony hinges on the effectiveness of this encoding phase, as it shapes the details available for later recall. Various factors influence the encoding of memories during eyewitness testimony. Emotional arousal, for instance, can enhance memory formation, while distractions and cognitive load may impede the encoding process. Furthermore, the attentional focus of the witness plays a critical role. Details that align with the individual's focus are more likely to be encoded accurately than peripheral information. Eyewitnesses may retrieve memories through recall or recognition. Recall involves spontaneously generating information, while recognition relies on identifying details from presented options. Research suggests that recall is more prone to errors, as witnesses may fill in gaps with plausible but inaccurate details. Recognition, on the other hand, is considered more reliable, though both processes can be influenced by external factors, impacting the accuracy of retrieved memories. Eyewitnesses are susceptible to suggestion during memory retrieval. External influences, such as leading questions or post-event information, can distort recollections. This vulnerability poses challenges in legal settings where the accuracy of testimony is paramount. Cognitive biases and social pressure can contribute to the witness incorporating false information into their narrative, emphasizing the need for careful questioning and consideration of the circumstances surrounding memory retrieval. The misinformation effect is a phenomenon where external information presented after an event can distort individuals' original memories. This cognitive bias was demonstrated in Loftus and Palmer's 1974 study, where participants' recollection of a car accident was influenced by the wording of questions. External factors, such as suggestive questioning or misleading information, can lead to the incorporation of false details into eyewitness testimony. The misinformation effect has significant consequences for legal proceedings. Inaccurate memories can result in the wrongful identification of suspects and contribute to miscarriages of justice. Courts must navigate the challenge of distinguishing between genuine recollections and memories influenced by external factors, highlighting the need for rigorous examination of eyewitness testimony in the legal system. Confirmation bias involves individuals selectively interpreting information to confirm their pre-existing beliefs. In the context of eyewitness testimony, this bias can affect how witnesses perceive and recall events. Witnesses may unconsciously emphasize details aligning with their expectations, leading to skewed interpretations of the situation. Confirmation bias poses challenges in cross-examination, as witnesses may resist alternative perspectives that contradict their established beliefs. Legal professionals must carefully navigate this bias during questioning to uncover accurate information. Additionally, the potential impact of confirmation bias underscores the importance of diverse evidence sources in legal proceedings to ensure a more comprehensive and objective understanding of events. Loftus and Palmer's 1974 groundbreaking study explored the impact of language on eyewitness testimony. The researchers exposed participants to a video of a car accident and then asked them questions framed with different verbs like smashed or hit. The choice of verbs significantly influenced participants' estimates of the collision's speed, showcasing the malleability of memory and the misinformation effect. Numerous studies have contributed to our understanding of eyewitness testimony. For instance, research has highlighted the role of stress and anxiety in influencing the accuracy of recall. Factors like weapon focus, where attention narrows in threatening situations, impact the witness's ability to provide detailed information. The study of cognitive interview techniques has also emerged to enhance the retrieval of reliable information from witnesses. The legal system often relies on expert witnesses to provide specialized knowledge in areas like psychology. These experts may testify about memory, perception, and the potential biases affecting eyewitness testimony. Expert witness testimony can significantly influence a case, providing insights that may not be apparent to the layperson, but it also introduces challenges in balancing objectivity and advocacy. While expert witnesses offer valuable perspectives, challenges include the potential for bias and subjectivity. The legal system must navigate the delicate balance of incorporating expert testimony without unduly swaying the jury. Opportunities lie in continually refining legal procedures, embracing evolving scientific understanding, and implementing best practices to ensure a fair and accurate representation of eyewitness testimony in court. The cognitive interview (CI) method, introduced by Fisher and Geiselman in 1984, proves instrumental in elevating the precision of eyewitness testimony through a series of well-defined techniques. Mental reinstatement of context. Witnesses are prompted to mentally revisit the scene of the event, re-establishing the environmental and emotional context. This not only aids in reactivating relevant memories, but also fosters a more vivid and detailed recollection. Report everything. Witnesses are encouraged to report all details, irrespective of perceived significance. This approach prevents potential memory omissions, ensuring a comprehensive and exhaustive account of the witnessed event. Change of perspective. See instruction. By instructing witnesses to recall events from multiple perspectives, the CI technique disrupts the linear nature of memory recall. This holistic approach promotes a more nuanced and thorough retrieval of information, contributing to overall accuracy. Suggested recall. Witnesses are encouraged to remember the incident in reverse order, minimizing the influence of schema-based reconstructions and contributing to the accuracy of the account. A critical feature of the CI technique is its ability to minimize suggestibility. The emphasis on open-ended questioning and the avoidance of leading queries during the interview process significantly reduces the risk of introducing false information. Research conducted by Genier and Brunel corroborates that cognitive interviewing prevents investigators from inadvertently influencing witnesses, thereby preserving the richness of free recall and enhancing the reliability of eyewitness accounts. The cognitive interview emerges as a multifaceted approach, not only improving recall accuracy through specific techniques, but also safeguarding against suggestibility. Its comprehensive nature makes it an invaluable tool in the pursuit of more reliable and detailed witness testimony. Conclusion. In this exploration of witness testimony psychology, several key points have emerged. Eyewitness memory is susceptible to external influences, leading to inaccuracies and distortions, as demonstrated in studies such as Loftus and Palmer's car crash experiment. Cognitive biases. The misinformation effect and confirmation bias play significant roles in shaping witness testimony, impacting the accuracy of recall and perception. Legal implications. Eyewitness testimony holds substantial weight in legal proceedings, yet its reliability is challenged by cognitive biases and memory limitations. As the legal system relies on eyewitness testimony, there is a pressing need to strike a balance between legal considerations and psychological realities. Incorporating insights from cognitive psychology research, particularly the use of cognitive interview techniques, can enhance the accuracy of witness recall and minimize suggestibility. Legal professionals must be aware of the limitations of memory and the potential for cognitive biases, adopting practices that mitigate these issues. Training in cognitive interviewing for law enforcement and legal practitioners can be instrumental in promoting a more reliable and nuanced approach to witness testimony. In conclusion, a holistic understanding of the interplay between psychology and the legal system is essential. By acknowledging the fragility of memory and addressing cognitive biases, the legal process can evolve to ensure a more just and accurate representation of events.